Hey, this is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. How you doing today? Well, I've got some Gerber knives here right now, and so what I'm going to do is, and they're in the package, I'm going to take them out of the package. I'm going to give you a little bit of a rundown on them. We have the serrated edge blades and two regular blades like that. They're about 2 and 2 1/4, 2.5 inch blades. And so let's cut them out of the package, and I'm going to use this one, okay? Just kind of go right along like that. Okay, now we just tear without cutting myself with the plastic. Well, I'll tell you, this stuff is something else. So let's cut it a little bit more. And I know everybody under the sun is going to have something to say about the way I cut. I don't think I have ever cut myself with a knife while I was taking something out of the package. So I can't be doing it too bad. All right, so let's see. That's actually a really cute little knife. So you got your center lock, your frame lock, I guess you'd call it. All right, and it's got your single hand thumb or your finger open. And it's brand new, so you got to kind of work at it just a little bit. So let's check and see. That's actually pretty sharp. Gerber, I expect that from them.
Wow.
All right, so it would be just like this. Don't press too hard, let it work, don't make it work. Turn it over like that, like this. And it's kind of a thick blade. So now I'm going to run right down through here. Set it down left, scoop it out right, set it down left, scoop it out right, set it down left, scoop it out right. You have a 90-degree corner there, 90-degree corner there. So I just set it down left, scoop it out right, pick it up, move it, set it down left, scoop it out right. Just like that, and just like this, like that, and then flat on the back. So now let's see what we got for sharp. That is plenty sharp. So anyway, that's one of the little Gerbers that was in the package. Let's do it. Oh, let's use a Gerber to open up the other ones. And let's turn that around, come in here. Okay, take the tip protector off. Good little Gerber. All right. That's a little duller. I can feel it. It's a little harder to cut. It chafes and tears the paper a little bit more. Okay, so you're going to see a pretty good change in this one. So we just take the straight line corners, put it against the blade like this. About a 10-degree bevel on the side. Let it turn a little bit and do this. I'm going to set it down and work on it a little faster, like this. You'll see me a lot of times set the knives down on the table and work on it, like that. Turn it over, come in this way, like that, and like this. Now I'm going to flip it every pass and polish the wire edge off the blade, just like that. I also, when I'm doing this, I can see on the cutting edge if there's any little glints of light, like a facet on a diamond, okay? And if there is any of those little flat spots, I can see them, and then I'll know where to work on it and how to fix it. So now, oh my God, it cuts like that, clear out here like that. Okay, if you can toy along and even catch the paper and get it to cut that far out, okay, that's a really good deal. So now we'll use this one to open the last one. Come in here, right on around. You can't tear that plastic. You might be able to, but I'm not going to bother. Okay, so let's find out what. Okay, this is a little bigger, thicker, heavier blade, a little bit smaller knife, a little bit smaller blade. It's really kind of cool. So this one, there's your size. So that's actually a little bit longer, and so they just kind of come down in size. So the littlest one now, let's check. Okay, that's not too bad, but again, you do have to kind of push on it. It does not slide through. So let's use an old one. We ball up the keys, and then I'm gonna move, come in here like this, You may have noticed if you've been watching my videos and you're observant, different paper. So I'm going to switch to a thicker, heavier paper, and largely because Chance, when he ships out product, the peel-off sticker and what he prints up on is this paper, and there's always a piece of paper left over. So I'm going to start using that paper for my tests. Just like this, go right on along like that. Do this, and it's all uniform. And besides that, he brings it to me, and I stay up on the paper. Instead of him throwing it in the garbage or the recycle, I actually use it now for the cutting test. Just like that, like that, like that, like that. And, oh, we'll use one of these. All right, now we'll go back to what I tested all the others on. Okay, it still needs a little help. That's not as sharp as I would like to see it. So we'll do this. I'm going to set it down. Oh, let's do this. Let's run it through the V a little, not too much, and don't press too hard. Just like that. I cannot understand him. Just like that. All right, let's see. Oh yeah. You did it. Success. This is Brad Buckner, sharpensbest.com. Go to sharpensbest.com. Go to YouTube Sharpens Best. Look at all my YouTube videos. Yeah, look at all of them. There's 3,500. All right. And so, you know what? Just come by my table, get your knife sharpened, buy some knife sharpeners, get an education on sharpening, stuff like that. We'll talk to you later. Stay sharp out there.